Hello YouTube. We are going to take a look at this motorcycle jack that I purchased off of Amazon. There it is. We'll have a look at the quality, the functionality, see what sort of good points, bad points, etc. Are they worth buying? As you can see, this one's now been used quite a lot in a way, but in other ways it's sometimes more hassle than it's really worth. So this is pretty much the back end of the jack. I haven't got the handle in, but we've got pump up on here and let down on the pedal just under here. It does come with a handle, but that just tends to really get in the way. It's not much good, and also it didn't come with the bolt to attach the handle, so I had to find I think I used a split pin or something, not a split pin, like a I'll show you. Or maybe it did come with that one, I don't remember. I know that it didn't come with something, but there's the handle. It's massive and it gets right in the way. So overall it's actually not that badly built. It's really not. The little clip that holds the safety bar back, that died, well, a long time ago. As you can see, it hits the jack before it hits the safety clip. So nay for that. The safety bar does work. Tried many times to let it down with the safety still in place, and that is just frustrating. The rubber pads, well, they've started to break up already. They also pop off regularly. I haven't had that heavier bikes on this, to be honest. I've had the Kawasaki on it. It doesn't fit the Kawasaki that well. So when the centre stand wasn't on, it tends to slide forwards on the frame here, which, I guess it just doesn't work very well for that style of bike. This one, it seemed to hold up lovely. The Derby, that went quite well. That didn't have a side stand for I don't know how long, so because of no side stand, it was kind of important to have it on something, so that went on this, and it started to get damaged due to the weight of a 50cc dirt bike, so go figure on that. Alright, so for lower clearance you're looking sort of 13 and a half, 13 centimeters, about 5 inches from the ground, so that it goes under most bikes. I mean, you'd have to have a pretty low bike for it to go under. It also does just about go under step throughs and such, without too much aggro, but of course you've got the issue with the fairings on step throughs, so again its usefulness is so-so. I don't know, there's no reason why that should be damaged like that. It's only held up a couple of bikes. Okay, the maximum height on this is about 12 inches or 31 centimeters, 12 and a half inches, somewhere around there. It does lift relatively high, I suppose. Not amazing. It struggles to get dirt bikes completely off the ground, and even like the Kawasaki, it will get maybe the front up if you position it right and wedge some blocks. Step throughs, it gets up right up in the air, but again you got the issues with it catching on the fairings, so yeah, it has its uses, but it is in a way quite limited. You're probably better off with a table with a, if you got the space, with a built-in jack, to be honest. Does this have its, it probably have more uses with a cruiser style bike, you know, or Harley, or you know, something along those lines maybe. But for the sort of every other style, I would say it struggles. And thank you very much for watching. I hope this was sort of informative if you're looking at buying one of these. Would I recommend it? Yes, if you've got a quad. Dirt bike, again, it does take, you know, if you haven't got a stand, you want to work on it, it does work, but so does lifting it up on 2 axle stands. So yeah, take that over, you know, as you will. But thank you very much for watching. Please do comment and subscribe and whatnot if you'd like to see some more. Thank you very much. Bye bye.